Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete a group on Facebook. First, open your Facebook app. Then, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. In my case, this is an icon because I have a page from this account. Okay, then select groups. Next, select your groups. Under the Group You Manage section, you can see your groups you created. Then select the account that you want to delete. Here we can see our group name. So what we want to do, just tap on it. Here tap on See All option. Here we can see all members in our group. So to delete this group, we have to remove all members from this group including yourself or myself. We can remove members by tapping these three lines. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next one.